In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to warp text in Adobe Express. If you want your titles and captions to follow a curve or bend for a more dynamic look, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it in a clean, reliable way. Start by opening your design in Adobe Express. With your project on the canvas, head to the left panel and click Text, then choose Add Your Text. A text box will appear on your design. Type the words you want to curve, and give yourself a moment to choose a readable font. Sans serif fonts often curve cleanly, but pick whatever matches your design. With the text box selected, look to the right side of your screen for the Text Properties panel. This is where you'll find the layout or shape options. Adobe Express includes a few preset text layouts like circle, arch, and bow. For this tutorial, arch and bow are the most useful for a natural curved effect. Arch shapes your text along an arc, while bow bends the text outward or inward, like the curve of a smile or a frown. Click arch to curve the text into an arc. You'll notice the letters follow a smooth path across the curve. If the text feels too tight or too stretched, adjust your font size slightly. A smaller size can help the curve look more even, while a larger size can emphasize the arc. Use letter spacing to give each character breathing room so the curve remains legible, especially with bold fonts. If you choose bow, the text bends from the center outward or inward. This is great for playful badges or emphasis lines. Again, tweak font size and letter spacing to keep the bend smooth and readable. Alignment matters here as well. Center alignment typically looks most balanced on a curve, but left or right alignment can create intentional movement if that fits your layout. Here's a handy tip for the arch layout. Adding a few spaces before or after your text can subtly flatten or intensify the curve. This works because extra spacing changes the overall width of the line, which affects how tightly it wraps. Just keep an eye on alignment after you add spaces. You may need to re-center the text so it sits exactly where you want it. Take a final pass to refine. Nudge the font size, adjust letter spacing, and confirm the alignment matches your composition. If your text looks crowded, try a touch more spacing. If it looks disconnected, bring the letters closer together. When it reads clearly and the curve complements your design, you're done. That's how to warp text in Adobe Express using arch and bow for polished, curved typography.